Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on simple interest worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on the topic of simple interest. And while simple interest is not that popular these days in financial institutions, it is still very interesting to know how to calculate it. Now, if you're not sure how to proceed, we have had a lesson on this very topic, and there is a link on the next slide. If you click on the link, it will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples. So basically, for simple interest, for you to be able to calculate it, you need three things. The first one is an initial amount that you invest, which is the principal. The second thing we need to know is the rate of interest per annum. And the third thing we need to know is the number of years that the investment will last. And then there's a simple formula which is contained in the lesson which helps you do the calculation. So let's quickly have a look at each of the examples. Example 1, find the simple interest if $1,800 is invested at 7% per annum for 3 years. That's the simplest example, and it's quite straightforward when you use the formula. Number 2, find the simple interest if $2,600 is invested at 8% per annum for 4.5 years. This is very similar, except here we have 4.5, and all you do is change this to a fraction. Number 3, find the simple interest if $6,000 is invested at 3 1/3% per annum for 9 years. Again, you change this to a fraction. So we know that 3 1/3% is 3 1/3 over 100. So you change that so that the numerator and the denominator each contain whole numbers. Now we've done that, so you should know how to do that. Number 4, find the simple interest if $5,000 is invested at 8.5% per annum for 3.5 years. So both of those there are changed to fractions where numerator and denominator are whole numbers. Number 5, find the simple interest if $8,000 is invested at 7.5% per annum for 2.25 years. And finally, find the simple interest if $12,000 is invested at 6 3/4% per annum for 6 2/3 years. So this video presents a worksheet where we can calculate simple interest, and if you're not sure how to proceed, there is a lesson on this very topic. On the next slide, click on the link. It will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all the examples.